What's up, guys? So today we are going to build a PC. This has been long awaited. I have always wanted a PC of my own, but I think now's the time. I ordered stuff end of last year, so end of 2020 December. And so I am going to start, I guess. Mona's gonna help me. She's gonna oversee this construction. But yeah. So this is my case. It is the Fractal Design C, I think. Meshify C. Yeah. So I have everything. The panels are all taken off, and I have a video over there just to make sure everything's a-okay. Let's start with the motherboard. I have no socks on. I am safe from static. So yeah, we're just going to open it up. Wow. Wow, indeed. Welcome. I'm in the future doing this voiceover, and I'm just showing you the motherboard, and I will be spinning it now. Whoop. Now I'm just putting in the CPU. I was so nervous putting this in. I literally, you'll see my hand shaking. Eee! And that black thing, yeah, we can just kind of dispose of it. Yeet. And now we're putting in RAM. I had 32 gigs. I didn't realize how much you had to actually push that in. And there goes the second one. Click. Now is the M.2. It's the storage. It's 1 terabyte. But yeah. Now I'm just putting in the motherboard into my case. This was kind of scary because I was too scared to scratch the motherboard. But yeah, just kind of screwing that in. Now for real-time Mikey. So far what we have. Placed the motherboard in. We're gonna work on installing the CPU cooler and then continue from there. I'm gonna be honest, I had no idea what I was doing here. This liquid cooling thing is super hard, but this is me figuring out that I have to screw on the fan first before putting it onto my case. Yep, there I go, screwing it on with Mona's help. And so, we got the click click just to snap that into place. And now for the CPU. I was so terrified to put this on. It's really hard. I didn't want to mess up. The thing was pushing against me, but yeah, we made it through. Now for my GPU, I got a GeForce RTX 2060. That's all I really needed at this time. I might upgrade it in the future. And yeah, so now we're really just gonna skip the wiring and the powering and head to the next day. Real time Mikey. So the next day, I have everything finished. I will show you. Yep, here's my PC. In more depth, there's Mikee in there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I still have yet to edit this vlog, but hope it was all good. Catch you next time. Like and subscribe. Peace.